Good morning, children. Last class I completed how to install BlueJay software in your systems. Now in this class, I will explain how to create a new project. Then how to create a new class in your BlueJay system. Then I will show how to compile a Java program. How to compile a Java program in BlueJay. Next, how to execute a Java program. How to execute a Java program. These four I will show today. And see, after installing BlueJay software in your system, the first time means it will appear like this screen. If you open your BlueJay software, it will appear like this. On the menu bar, project, edit, tools, view and help options are there. Right side corner, you are having minimize, maximize and close button. And the new class, subclass or child class, this is for inheritance, and compile button is there. These three are not highlighting. After creating new project only, these three buttons will highlight. Now I am clicking on project button. A drop down wizard will appear. In that one, new project, open recent options will be there. Now see, first time means you have to click on project. Now click on new project. Here type the name, whatever the name you want to give. If you want to give your name, give your name. Location, wherever you want to save the location, that is in D drive or E drive or F drive. Choose the location where you want to save. Default location is C users. And the path. Now I am giving the name as class 9th, capital letters I'll type, class 9th 2020-2021 batch. Now I want to create a folder. In D drive I want to create. Take the new folder. You know how to create the new folder. Class 9th. Select the folder. See, class 9th 2020-2021 is the project name. Where you are saving class 9th. Drive, D drive. Now finally click on OK. In this way, you have to create your project. After creating project, see, after creating project, it will appear like this. Now these three options are highlighting. See, new class, see, the inheritance, select subclass, child or extends, new class. See, if you click on new class, the wizard is appearing like this. Class name, class language, Java or Stride, class type. These are the radio buttons. We are using class first. How to create a class, abstract class, interface, unit test, enumerators, Java FX class. You are not having. Now in this session, how to create a class. Class name I am giving my first program. You begin always with the capital letter. Rest of the letters are lowercase letters, or all capital letters also it will take. So class name always begins with the uppercase letters. Meaningful class names give. Now finally click on OK. In this way, the class is created. See, this is the class name, my first program. Right click. If you click on right click on your class, open editor, compile, inspect, delete, duplicate, convert to Stride, create a test class. Now click on open editor. First time means open editor. If you open editor, see, now this is the sample program. This is about the other documentation comment. Different types of comments are there in Java. Single line, multi-line, and documentation comment. See, description. write a description of class, my first program. Class name what you give? My first program. Then next, a class contains what? Basic structure of the class it is. A class contains class, variables, and then constructors, and then functions. This is the sample program. See, documentation comment. Class name what you give? That name it will appear. My first program, and then instance variables. This is a single line comment. That is one short answer. What are the comments are available in Java program? And then we are going to write inside the class constructor. It should be same as class name. We'll discuss in constructor topic. And then method, sample method. See, so a class contains constructors, variables, and methods. This is the basic structure of the Java program. Now what you have to do is Control A, delete the program completely. Control A, delete. Now start typing your program, sample program. Sample program I am typing. Public class, my first program. Already it is appearing here. See, my first program. Project name here, class 9th 2020 2021. Project name is different, class name is different. In a project, multiple class you create. After class, main method. We'll learn what is main, how to create a class next sessions. Just how to compile a class and how to execute a program in this session. String args. Just I am typing one statement. System.out.println. Within double quotes, this is my first Java program. This is my first Java program. Close main, close class. Now this is the sample program. How to compile a program, how to create a project over, how to create a new class over. The next point is what I told, how to compile a program. Here compile option is there. See, compile, undo, cut, copy, paste, find, close. You have to click on compile, or shortcut key for this one to compile, Control K. Now I am clicking on compile button. Click on compile button. Class compiled, no syntax errors. If any errors are there, give one error. Immediately it will display errors found. So first rectify the error, then Control K, or click on compile button. After compiling what? Close this one. Right click on the program. Right click on the program. Right click on the program. New, my first program, void main, open editor, compile, inspect not. Click on void main. Standalone application. Execution will begins from main method. So click on main method. Now click on OK. See. Output see. This is my first Java program. This is my first Java program. So one more point you have to remember is every time you have to clear the options. Options clear, or click on control button. If you fail to clear the options, second time whenever you execute, this will appear like that one. So options clear. So in this way, you have to create a new project in your system, create a new class, compile the Java program, and execute the Java program. Thank you.